Good morning, girls. Problem number 10. I think I might have missed the problem. Now, let us see what is the importance of problem number 10. So, this is nothing but cancellation of preference dividend, which is given in the balance sheet. This type. Here in this particular problem, you were given 11,000 authorized capital. Actually, it will not be appearing in the books of accounts, authorized capital. So, let us start our discussion from preference shares. So here in the problem you are given 10,000 preference shares fully paid up and 10,000 ordinary shares fully paid up. Actually you are given the capital values also and bank loan secured from land and buildings, sundry creditors. Coming to the asset side, goodwill, land and buildings, plant and machinery, patent rights, stock, sundry debtors and profit and loss account. Coming to the adjustments, here it was given preference share dividends are in arrears since 31st March 2012. The company passed a special resolution to reduce its capital and do the arrangements as usual as per the norms of the internal reconstruction. Coming to the preference shares to be reduced to rupees 75 each. Actually, the preference share value fully paid 11,000 shares fully paid 11 lakhs means the actual face value of the each share is rupees 100, which he asked to reduce to rupees 75. Next, ordinary shares to be reduced to 25 each fully paid up. Here 16,500 ordinary shares fully paid up 825 means that is nothing but at the rate of rupees 50. The face value of each share is rupees 50. How we will be getting, girls? 8,25,000 divided by 16,500. So he asked the face value which is prior to internal reconstruction rupees 50 to reduce to rupees 25. So this is as far as the second adjustment is concerned. Next, authorized capital ordinary to be increased to 44,000 shares of rupees 25 each. This is as far as authorized capital, girls. Don't get it confused. This is not issued capital or subscribed capital. This is for authorized capital. Just keep it in mind and leave. Next comes debit balance on profit and loss account, goodwill to be written off, plant and machinery to be reduced by 44,000 on the book debts, 26,400 to be reduced to bad debts written off, the available balance to be used for writing down the patent rights. The chairman of the Rama Limited agreed to advance the sum of rupees 1,10,000 to be secured by mortgage at 4% per annum on land and buildings and the cash to be applied in paying off the bank loan at providing additional working capital. So this was the problem. Let us see step by step. Coming to the journal entry side, first 6% preference share capital, as I told you, at the rate of rupees 100 each were there prior to internal reconstruction. That appears as 11 lakh rupees. He asked you to reduce to 6% preference share capital of 75. He asked to reduce 75 each fully paid up. So we'll be doing accordingly. So 11,000 shares into 75, that comes to 8,25,000. And what is capital reduction? 11,000 into 25,000. Or else you can deduct 11 lakhs minus 8,25,000, that is 2,75,000. Narration is being preference share capital reduced. Next, same is the case with equity share capital. So what is the equity share capital here, girls? Equity share capital face value is rupees 50. I told you, because 16,000 ordinary shares fully paid, value is 8,25,000. So he asked to reduce each equity share to the value of rupees 25 each. So 4,12,500 and to capital reduction for 25 rupees. 4,12,500. Being equity share capital is also reduced. Next, as usual, the third entry must be from reduction account, capital reduction account debtor. What is this 6,87,500, girls? This is nothing but 4,12,500 plus 2,75,000. I think it is visible now. So 2,75,000 plus 4,12,500, that comes to 6,87,500. This amount must be utilized as per the adjustment he has given to write off the profit and loss account, which is there in your balance sheet. That is 5,62,100, and goodwill, which is there 33,000. He has given you in the balance sheet also. And next coming, he asked the sundry debtors to provide 26,400 rupees as means 26,400 for writing of the bad debts. Next, he asked you to reduce plant and machinery by 44,000, which is already given in the problem. And what is the twist here in this particular problem means he asked to use the funds available in the capital reduction account after providing for the above adjustments. So here, what is the patent rights? How much patent rights you need to write off means 6,87,500 minus 5,62,100, 32,000, 44,000, 26,400, then comes 22,000. The actual value of patent rights is 55,000, but you are not in a position to write off the entire 55,000. So that is here I have written balancing figure, that is 22,000 only. To that extent only the company is a position to write off. So narration being assets written off. Next in the problem, he has given that the chairman has accepted a loan of rupees 1,20,000 from the bank with the mortgage means security of land and buildings to. So in this case, what is the secured loan? Means here you are supposed to raise an entry like bank account debtor to chairman's loan because he has taken a loan. Loan is a liability. So liability should be showing a credit balance. Next, bank loan account debtor to bank account. What is the purpose? We have taken this loan to give this particular bank loan. What is the amount of bank loan which is given in the problem? You can see here 48,400, which is a bank loan on security and bank and land and buildings. So this is the last entry, girls. This is bank loan account debtor to bank account. Being bank loan repaid, that amount is 48,400. Let us see how the balance sheet will be appearing. Equity share capital, because here ordinary shares has given 16,500 shares at the rate of rupees 25 each, that comes to 4,12,500. Preference share capital, that is 11,000 shares of rupees 75 each, that is 8,25,000. Secured chairman's loan, this is the extra which is given in the adjustments liability, that is 1,10,000. Sundry creditors as usual given in the problem 2,26,600. Coming to the asset side, land and buildings 1,65,000, plant and machinery. The value given is 5,06,000 minus asked to reduce 44,000, that is 4,62,000. Next, stock as usual to 3,25,600. Sundry debtors, out of the 5,53,300, he asked to reduce 26,400 by way of writing off for bank bad debts, that is 5,26,900. Last one, out of the loan, he has raised a loan cash 1,10,000, out of which he has repaid the bank loan. So that is the reason this 48,400 should be written off, means deducted, I can say. So deducted from this cash balance, that is 1,10,000 minus 48,400, that comes to 61,600. Because in the given balance sheet, you did not have any cash account, girls. You can check here now. So when cash account is not given, he has raised a loan of 1,10,000. What is the purpose of raising the loan? To repay this particular bank loan. That's the reason here bank loan security means which is raised will be visible, but this bank loan is no more a liability because we have repaid out of this particular amount. So now out of the loan we have raised 1,10,000. Total 1,10,000 cash will not be there with you because you have repaid a secure loan, that is 48,400. Now comes 61,600. Now your balance sheet total must be 15,74,100. Thank you, girls.